The Maple Rock residence is a Northwest contemporary home, designed to celebrate art and foster connection. Created as a milestone in the homeowners' lives, the house embodies their transition into a new chapter, embracing retirement with a focus on entertaining and curating their extensive art collection. Its gallery-like aesthetic blends seamlessly with a thoughtful indoor-outdoor integration, offering both functionality and beauty. From the outset, the design aimed to craft a forever home that could adapt to the client's evolving pace of life. One of the early challenges was the site's steep slope, with a 20-foot grade change from the road to the far edge. Staying in the neighborhood was essential to the clients, drawn by its stunning views of the coastal range and mature trees. The design embraced the slope, stepping down naturally with the land's contours. Terraced landscaping softens these transitions, while the house itself capitalizes on the topography, offering breathtaking views and dynamic spaces. Each level was thoughtfully placed, creating a harmonious flow that integrates with the environment. Inside, the home is spacious and filled with natural light. The main level features a great room, with a 2-story flamed granite fireplace and a 40-foot sliding glass wall, seamlessly connecting the living and dining areas to the patio. A cozy music room offers custom shelving and a perfect retreat. The upper level, connected by a bridge, separates the bedroom wing from the office, while the sloped site allows for a basement with a sauna, wine room, and bonus space. Throughout, the design highlights the client's art collection, with carefully planned lighting and wall spaces enhancing each piece.